To make character animation like these, you will have to go to did.com. On did, you will register an account. A free trial will give you 20 credits. Now you will have to press on create video. Add a presenter. You can choose your image or the one that are present on the website. Now you can either enter script or upload the pre-recorded audio that will animate this character here. DID also has many voices to choose from. You can choose the voice which suits the best for your needs. And now you will click on generate button. And there you go. You have created an animation out of a normal image. For images, you can use either Midjourney or Stable Diffusion. If you like this video, please press the like button.
But you will soon enough. I'm not just a high school chemistry teacher anymore. I'm a force to be reckoned with in the drug world. I've made a decision to reclaim control of my life and my future. I'm done living in the shadows, done playing it safe. I'm here to make a statement, to show the world what I'm capable of. I'm here to become a kingpin, a master of the trade, a man who demands respect. And make no mistake, I will stop at nothing to achieve my goals. So listen closely and remember my name, because from this day forward, I am the one in charge. I am the one in charge. I am Walter White.